What's going on YouTube? My name is Zay, and today I'm going to show you 5 camera moves you can do with no gear. Alright, let's get started. So, what this shot is called is a push in or a pull out. How you can do this shot is get you a towel, get your tripod, get your camera, put the tripod on the towel, and just slide it forward or slide it back. That's how you can get this little push in or push out shot. And we will take this same setup that we have right here, and we're going to do the same thing for this. And this is called a dolly shot. The way we got this dolly shot was the same thing. Put the towel on the ground, and then put the tripod on the towel, and then pull the towel. This shot right here is called a tracking shot. All you do is just follow your subject throughout the scene. I had to use a skateboard and a tripod, so it's not as smooth as it should be, but just give you an idea of what a tracking shot is. Just have the skateboard, or you can have a gimbal. I didn't have my gimbal with me at the time, so I had to make do. I just follow the subject throughout the scene. Sometimes they can be very elaborate, or they can be very simple as just walking to the table right here. As you see, this is a blooper reel. Here's a static shot. I know I said camera moves, but sometimes the movement is the scene and not the camera. As you see this scene here, there's different things going on. People dancing. It's a party scene. This guy comes up to the girl. They're chit-chatting. Just another idea of like you can, different kind of scenes, different kind of things you can do, and how the story is progressing without the camera even moving. And they come and take pictures and stuff. That's just another example of how you can do that. Also, you have a whip pan. A whip pan is where you can go through scene by scene. Sometimes you can do it in the settings, or you can do it with the camera shot. And here's some examples of that.
Who's calling it? Who's calling it? Who's calling it? Who's calling it? Who?
Right here is a low angle shot, just a different perspective on the character in the scene. Yeah, just a little low angle shot, nothing too fancy about it. Me writing stuff down, just give you an idea of what you can do with this shot. Another static shot here is just showing like the movement in the scene and not the camera itself. Just another example of how that can work. Yeah. And I have one final shot for you. This shot is called a Dutch angle. Turn your camera 45 degrees left or right and just give a different perspective. I haven't seen it used too much in productions now, but it's another shot you can use in your shoots if you ever had the idea of gumption to use. I'm gonna try to make these videos longer, but somehow I keep making them shorter, so I'm working on that. Thank you for watching. Alright, deuces.